Hello everyone, welcome to next section of the C programming language. Today we'll just discuss all about that flowchart. So why we're generally just learn this flowchart? So because listen, so this one is one of the diagrammatic representations means of you are just writing some of the program. Okay, so you want to just show that program in a diagrammatic way, show with the help of the flowchart only, so you can just show means whenever just you will jump to that algorithm part, so you will just hear about the name called the flowchart only. So better right now you need to know what are the symbols, means generally which symbol will be used and at what time. Okay, so don't waste the time, so let's start from the beginning. So here, this flowchart is a diagrammatic representation of sequencing of logical steps of a program. So this one is a what diagrammatic representations. Okay, and the next point is what the flowchart use the simple geometric shape. So now you will understand what are these, and to depict the processes and arrows to show the relationship and process data flow. So let's start from that diagram only, because while hearing the definition, so it is quite very boring, but let's start from that one. So now so this is the symbol. This is the symbol, first symbol. This is the first symbol. Okay. So this symbol generally used for the start and stop. This symbol is generally used for the start and stop. And what is the purpose of these programs? So generally it is used at the beginning and end of the algorithm. End of the algorithm to show start and end of the program. So here, this symbol is generally used for that normally, for that start and stop. Okay, start and stop. So if you are just getting any confusion, no problem. So let me just remove this part and just draw like this. Okay, so this one is the things. And generally, next part, next part, next part is what? Listen. Next part is the process part. So means like the symbol will be looking like this. So this one is the process. This one is the process. Okay. And generally, the purpose of this one is what? So indicates the processes like mathematical operation, mathematical operations. Okay. So next point is what? So this is the point. And then next point. What is the next point? So generally, this symbol, this symbol is used for the input and output. This symbol is used for the input and output. And the purpose is what? It is used for, it is used for denoting program inputs and outputs. It is used for denoting programs inputs and outputs. Then next point. What the next point? So the next point is like So this is the symbol, the diamond symbol. This is the symbol, diamond symbol. And generally it is used for the decision. When you are taking any decision, so you can just draw this one. And then the purpose is what? It stands for the decisions. Stands for the decision statement. Stands for the decision statements in a program where answer is usually yes or no. Is usually yes or no. And then there is a next symbol, which is the arrow symbol. Okay, there is an arrow symbol. So this symbol is generally used for the purpose is what? It is show the relationship. It is show the relationships between different shapes. Between different shapes. Between different shapes. And there is a next point is what? So next point is the circle symbol. And this symbol is used for the on page. Oh, in on page connector. On page connector. The purpose is what? It connects two or more parts of a flowchart which are on this same page, Clear? And then the next last point is what? The last point is this symbol. Okay, so this symbol is known as the off page connector. So this one is used for the connects two parts of a flowchart which are spread over different pages. So these are the things. So we have to just learn. So first of all, please just write all these things and understand. And then in the next part video, so I will just show you so how to just use all these diagrams, right? So bye. So we'll just meet in the next part.